Hello there, this is my Mandalorian army of 2025, 28 minifigs and 5 named characters. 2 speeders, 2 ships, a base and 2 turrets. Now let's go over the minifigs. I have the fleet admiral, the armoror, Sabien, Saxon, bo-katan kryze with a mandalorian big arms pistol and sword, I think. Vizsla, Djarin, jango fett, Bobba fett, and my own. Every minifig normal without Sabien, without bo-katan kryze and vizsla, and the armor have these types of pistols. I have one of these minifigs, Saxon 2-boy, 3 of these, 2 of those, 2 of those, 2 of those, 2 of these male, and 2 of these female type night owl 2-boys, 2 of these, 2 of these. And that is for the minifigs. Now let's go to the vehicles. I have 2 speeders, an alternative build on a Mandalorian interceptor that I have on my channel, Mandalorian fighter, type ship. I have 2 of these turrets, and I also have a Mandalorian base that I made from 2 battle packs and a pass with Starwars Moff Gideon set and some extra pieces. And that is it for the army. I like the size. It's not the smallest, it's not the biggest. Maybe a few more minifigs, like an extra one of those. And maybe a few more named characters that Lego has made. Would probably be nice. But I'm pretty happy with 28 minifigs size army. And that is it for my Mandalorian army. Now please like, share and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.